Good morning, students. This is the last concept of in your second lesson, polynomials lesson. Okay, very important, especially in competitive examinations. Okay, so special products and are special identities. Already you learned some of the identities in your eighth class. What are they? A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, a plus b plus c whole square, like that. They are known as identity. Okay, what is identity? Okay, I recall once again. So identity means an identity is an equality. That is equality. Equality of two expressions. So an identity is an equality which is true for all real values. Which is true for all real values of the variables. Okay, already you know first identity. Identity number one. Identity number one. What is that? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, already you know this identity in your 8th class. Okay, what are the variables here? A and b. Instead of a and b, if you substitute any real values, okay, both of them balanced, both of them equal. Both LHS and RHS are having equal values. For example, 25 and this one also 25. 100, this is also 100. Both are equal to each other. Both LHS and RHS are equal in after substitution A and B with some real values. You get same answer. So they are known as identity. So identity is an equality. That means LHS equal to RHS, which is true for all. Which is true for all real values of the variables. That means you substitute any real value instead of the variables, you get same answer on both sides. That means LHS equal to RHS. Okay, so identity number one, already you know this identity. Okay, once again I explain it. Okay, how to prove this identity? Very simple proof. You take LHS a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a plus b can be expressed as 2 times. So a plus b into a plus b. Okay, so a plus b can be multiplied by 2 times. Okay, already know how to find out the product. First of all, you take a into a plus b. So a into a plus b, and you take second term of the first binomial plus b into a plus b. So a into a square plus a into b ab plus b into a ba or ab and b into b square. Okay, how many ab's are there? 2 ab's. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, hence we get RHS. Hence we get RHS. So this is the proof of a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Already we proved this identity geometrically in your 8th class. I explained in your 8th class. Okay, in any way first identity is known as this one. Okay, with the help of this identity we have to do some of the problems. Find the product with use a suitable identity. Okay, so you observe this is in the form of a plus b whole square. Here a equal to 5m and b equal to 3n. Yes or no? Okay, so this is in the form of a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 5m plus 3n whole square equal to, okay, so here a equal to how much? 5m, and b equal to how much? 3m. substitute it. So 5m whole square plus 2 into a means 5m and b means 3n plus b means 3n whole square. Simplify it. 5 square 25 m square plus 5 2 is a 10, 10 3 is a 30 mn plus 3 square equal to 9n square. 9n square. Okay, so with the help of first identity we have to find out the value of 5m plus 3n whole square. Okay, like that. So find the product of these two polynomials with the help of suitable identity. So x plus 5 into x plus 5. So here x plus 5 can be multiplied by 2 times. This can be written as x plus 5 whole square. Okay, so x plus 5 whole square. So this is also in the form of a plus b whole square. Here a equal to x, b equal to 5. So this is also in the form of a plus b whole square. Here a equal to x and b equal to 5. Substitute it. So that means x square, a square plus 2. A means x and b means 5. So a square plus 2ab plus b square means 5 square. So x square, 5 2s are how much? 10. 10x plus 5 square equal to 25. So with the help of this identity we got the answer. The next one, phi naught 1 into phi naught 1. Okay, so without using direct product, with the help of one of the suitable identity, how to find out the product. Okay, so this can be written as phi naught 1 whole square. So this can be written as 500 plus 1 whole square. 500 plus 1 whole square. Okay, now this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So without doing actual product, you have to use one of the identity, related identity, that is a plus b whole square. So that means 500 plus 1 whole square equal to, here a equal to 500, b equal to 1. So 500 whole square plus 2, a means 500 into b means 1 plus b square means 1 square. So that equal to, so you write double of the zeros. 2 zeros are there, you write 4 zeros. And 5 square equal to 25. Plus, okay, you write 2 zeros first. 2 5s are 10. Okay, 10 1s are 10. So 1000 plus 1 square means 1. You add all of them. 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 2, 5. So this is known as 2,51,001. So that is the answer. So with the help of the special product, okay, you have to find out this type of products also. 103 whole square. 103 whole square can be expressed as 100 plus 3 whole square. Now this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So 100 plus 3 whole square, that equal to 100 square plus 2ab, that means 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 square. Okay, so 100 square means, simply write 4 zeros first. 1 square means 1. And 2 3s are 6. 6 into 100, 600. Plus 3 square means 9. So 1, 9, 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 0, 6, and you write 10. So 10,609 is the answer with the help of this identity. Next one, 100.1 whole square. Okay, so 100.1 whole square can be expressed as 100 plus 0.1 whole square. 100 plus 0.1 whole square. So with the help of the sortable identity, without doing actual product, how to find out its value? Very simple manner. Okay, so this can be written as 100 plus 0.1 whole square. So now this is the form of a plus b whole square. So here a means 100 plus b means 0.1 whole square. Okay, a equal to 100, b equal to 0.1 whole square. So that equal to 100 square plus 2, a means 100, b means 0.1 plus 0.1 whole square. Okay, so a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now you write 4 zeros. 1 square means 1 plus 2 into 100 into 0.1 can be expressed as 1 by 10 plus 0.1 whole square, that means 0.1 into 0.1. 1 ones are 1. Okay, point after one digit is there, point after one digit is there, two digits after put it to point. So only one digit is there, you have to take another 0 and 0. So 0.01. Okay, 1 0 1 0 cancel. 2 tens are 20. So 10,000 plus 20 plus 0.01. So 10,000. Okay, 10,000 0.1 is the answer. Okay, so 10,000 plus 20, 10,020 plus 0.1, 10,020.0.1. So this is a different model. Okay, so with the help of this identity, how to factorize some of the given expressions to by special type of product. Okay, how I explain tomorrow.